So today, we're just going to throw on tires and shocks probably. We're just kind of digging around. Then we're going to get to grinding on this frame. I'm still waiting on the engine plate, but we're going to grind on this frame. Get some spots that needs to be welded. Do this roll cage. Totally different. So actually, I thought I was going to have to get new bars. I think I'll do is just chop these ones off, butt them up against that one, chop this off here, butt it up against that one, weld it. We got some gussets coming. We're going to gusset it up. I probably won't do a double A-arm right yet. I may extend these ones out. Just cut them and extend them out a little bit for temporary. But today we're going to get some new shocks on. These things are shit. I hate these. I bought some decent ones. Those are the front tires. I got some decent nitrogen shocks, gas shocks. But they came with the 12mm sleeves in them, which was fine because it said it had extra 10mm sleeves. But as in each box, as you can see, I got the spanner tool, and it came with both 12mm eyelets in. But two replaces one shock. Why the fuck did they only give me two? They only gave me two of the 10mm eyelets. So I'm either just going to go buy a couple more or pound the ones out of the old shocks, because I got 4 shocks to change. But it's kind of messed up. I paid $98 or like $100 for these, something like that. But not a bad price, but a good enough price. It should have had 10mm. That's the whole reason I got them, was for the 10mm. Because that's what the Yerf dogs run, the 10mm. They are fucking in there. Alright, well, they did get one of this. Good job, Peter. I'm waiting on my new gloves. They're going to be here today. They're like nitrate gloves. They're real tight mechanic gloves. I don't use mechanic gloves, but these are like, I used them when I worked at a headlight factory. Fucking love them. They fit your hand. They form fit. They let you feel everything just like a latex nitrate glove. I have no idea what size that is. Maybe 15/16? Yep. 15/16. I think I can get rid of that without having to do a bunch of shit anyway. That play. So my bearings are good. That's always a plus. Let me get up near a little bit more here. Yeah. mouth spins like this. I hate changing tires without tire change, I really do. I can't believe, look at that. Holy shit. Oh, okay, there's still a good bit of metal. But what the fuck? Why is there so much water inside? Balls even hurt these fucking things. I need new coveralls. I got these ones for 16 bucks one year when they was on sale. I was like, fuck that. Even if they are kind of small. Damn it. Just when I like have to do something like this or lift my arms up and get tight on my crotch area. Man, you can pull them out. You can cut a bottle I can fucking fight through. Tu know what I say to you? I say, hey, Macarena. Como que ora, como que o cu. Get my wow. Go get my wow on that. Yeah, get your wow, man. Get your wow, man. Water soap. Go get that water soap on them. Yeah, boy, you wipe that water and soap on there, rim like that. On the taffy, yeah, make sure she good. Soaked up is probably enough, but better than done. Better than. Now here's the bed shoving. Get this bitch help. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy.
I said, get it in there. Get the fuck in there. God damn, boy. Get it in there. Get it in there. Push this shit. Okay, I don't need my hat no more. Roll! Roll on it! You ain't supposed to roll around like that. Why you want to go to soap? You want to fuck it up like I do. Good amount of soap. Lube up that tire, especially if it's rusty on the inside.
Oh, I think I put on there practically gone already. Rusty cut. Hook it off.
Just wipe it again, right? Damn. I tell you that shit, this is dawn time street. What the fuck? Then we gonna blow the shit of the bitch up with some fucking starting fluid.
Honestly, I think I can toe strap this one on.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Flag out me. Yeah, damn it. That's where she's gonna walk around on me. Sure she wouldn't do it to me. Don't walk around on me, Sally Sue. Down on the goddamn rim. Swore she wouldn't do it to your body, but she is.
That's what you don't want to do. You don't want to hear noises like that.
Get it, fuck on there.
want it better soaked than that. Twist my rubber like that.
Love it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I don't know what it is, but the little gals love it. Don't screw my rim up or my tire up. Hey, yeah, I honestly think I can just put a tow strap around it, put air in it. Hey. Alright, let's go down and direct this flaring. Put the valve stem back in. Restrict some of the airflow, of course. As long as it's shoot out pretty good. Keep this with us. Alright. Give it a minute down at the house with the air compressor.
Alright, here we are. Get some air in this thing. One up in the garage too. Is a good one. And power upper ain't ready. Put it up to 100. Yep, look. Already took. Already took. So that's why you don't need to use starting fluid. Here we go. Perfect. That easy. Now the other one, the came packaged a little fucked up. It was crimped up, so it might not be that easy. But that's all there's to it. You don't have to do the fire trick. Alright, back to the garage. Still got to need another washer in it. I got these somewhere. Oh, I bought a whole bag of them. You fucking find them. Hey, I remember. Why does it smell like marijuana in there? Smells like pot. Hey, I found him. Fuck yeah. Alright, back in business. We got him in the box that smells like marijuana for some reason. I have no clue why it smells like that. What the fuck is going on then? You're getting one in you, bitch. I don't care how, but you're getting one in you. You're gonna get shimmed up. You're gonna get shimmed up good. Where's my fucking mallet at? Oh, well, fuck no, it wouldn't be in here. Listen. Where's the mallet? There's fucking probably just needed done. What the fuck? Fuck my molding, bitch. That feels better. Yeah, but how long till those ones wear out? Lock washes. That's why I double note more lock washes and shit too. This all needs welded. Welded real good before welded before now it will turn probably. What it? So that's why I take the lock washer off and double it. Should put a little bit more lube in it, but this is all coming back apart before we drive it. gonna get new wheels, a whole new front end. So it'd all be copacetic. All in perfect order. Yeah, those are not as wide as the old turf shredders, but this thing's a fucking junk. Turf friendly. Works turf fucking friendly tires. Tire number 1 done. I like it a lot better. Alright, they're not double like this yet. That's actually a lot better than it looks. I like that. Now the fuck is that? We'll bring the camera around. Give you a little show here. What I just did. Should have had it there anyways. Sorry, we'll pick all that up. So there's the old tire. These old, they are 16 by 6 by 6. And those are 16 by 5 by 6. So they're just an inch skinnier. Which honestly, I can't even tell. But we are going to have a lot nicer tire. And then they got these little side notches too, so when you turn, I imagine they're going to really get me some grip. Those things, I slid all over the fucking yard. You know, I had these back tires like this, so this is about time. I can't wait. Almost makes me wish my nozzle didn't break on my fuel tank. I could mount the aluminum tank and run the 212 for a minute and try them out, but see the nozzle on my tank broke. But that's the 212, 18-pound springs, the catch can, electric start Lifeline 30 series. I've replaced the innards I don't know how many times because cheap torque converter the kid put on there. Header, governor removed, Mikuni 22 mil, jetted right, governor's removed right, tapped bolt on the top. I'll probably put it on the dirt bike, I'm thinking. So the dirt bike has electric start and put the Predator on something else. I ain't decided yet.